What's up? My chunk of junk, and had a little mishap. When I opened the box, the first bag I had opened, there was battery acid everywhere, and I had it all over my hands and whatnot. So went downstairs, got the trusty baking soda and paper towels, and proceeded to clean everything. So here's a lot of the cleaned items. The batteries are not in here, they haven't been discarded with properly. This is the first bag. You will get to help me open the second. Smarter shave. I don't know, I think I might need this. Another smarter shave. Probably for this side. Another one. Some more. Drive alert so you don't sleep. Ladies watch. Pastorelli, made by Invicta. Girls should like that. And then of course the batteries, which have been discarded. Never leave home without it. Tornado and Blizzard DVD. Which is a good thing because I'm a weather fanatic. Pink wristbands, so I guess can get the exercise on in style. Not really my color, but got watch. Ladies should like that. Right. Football game. Photo light. Put your favorite photo. Y'all can have a picture of me. So pretty. Shock pipe. I don't smoke, but I got a friend who needs to quit, so he'll be using this. Looks like a 6-foot HDMI cable, good for the PS3. iPod Shuffle docking station. I don't have one. Maybe I'll get one. US Robotics Internet speakerphone. Skype enable. Good present for the rents. Silicone iPod case. Handy to have around. Can't complain. fancy business card here. That all. Thanks for stopping by.